Here's a quick update. April 19th, 2021 today. You can see the lettuce that I planted super early. Some of it has come up really well. On the side over here, I got some peas because I'm going to try to grow a nice green wall. Also got a tomato over here that I recently transplanted. I'm supposed to do this in May, but the weather's been so nice, I just couldn't wait. So peas, there's some beans that I transplanted as well. It might have been too early. They're not doing very well. So we'll have to see if they bounce back or not. But otherwise, yeah, things are looking pretty nice. The stuff over here hasn't really been growing very big. I think it's gonna take some time, but it's slowly coming. I should probably start watering all this. With this rain barrel, wanted to see how much water came into it. Not very much, so I might manually put some in there. It's not very much water, so it's hard to get to. Here's some spinach. Looks like still growing, but it'll take some time. That's the update for April.